Hello, my name's Rosie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a magical musical shaker. For this craft you will need a clean and empty bottle, some glue, some coloured tissue paper, scissors, dry pasta, rice or lentils to make a good shaky sound, and some ribbon. I've chosen blue and purple, but you can choose any colour you like. So let's get making! First, unscrew your bottle and carefully pour in your dry pasta or rice. You can fill your bottle up as much as you like, however about 1 centimetre of rice and about 2 centimetres of pasta should be perfect. Once you finish pouring in your pasta or rice, screw the lid on as tight as you can to stop any coming out. You might want to ask an adult to help you with this. Give it a little shake to see if you like its sound. Now to decorate the outside of your bottle, get some PVA glue and coloured tissue paper and collage all over your bottle. When you've covered the whole bottle, add an extra layer of PVA glue on top. This stops the tissue paper coming off and gives the whole shaker a nice shiny look when it dries. Now it's time to add some decoration. So cut some lengths of ribbon and start tying them around the neck of your bottle. The more ribbon you tie on, the more beautiful your shaker will look. For this bit you'll need an adult. Take your scissors and pull the ribbon sharply using the blade of your scissors to add a lovely decorative curl as a finishing touch on the top of your shaker. And there you have it, your very own musical shaker. So let's get shaking! Brilliant, well done! Your shaker is now all finished and you're ready to make some musical magic. You can use your shaker and join in with any of our Artburst songs and nursery rhymes. Thank you, goodbye.